Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I thought we'd do a fun unboxing and flip through of the Food Fortunes deck. This is written and illustrated by Josh Lafayette, and it is published by Chronicle Books. Now, this is not your average tarot deck, kind of similarly based on the tarot deck, however, it's with food, and it's to help you decide maybe what kind of dinner or food combinations you should try if you have trouble making decisions. I am here for it. So let's read the back here. It says, answering the ancient mystery of what's for dinner tonight. It's now as simple as turning over a few cards. This mystical deck features 78 illustrated food and drink cards and an illustrated instruction booklet. I'm so excited. So it is in a little tuck box. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. We've got, what is that? Cheese and egg. Oh my gosh. Go forth in hunger. So hopefully there's going to be a lot of puns in this because I do love me some puns. All right. Here is the book. Let's see. What you hold in your hands is a divination tool that has been helping the hungry tap into the limitless power of the universe for centuries. Through the exact date and location of the card's inception is a mystery, though the exact date and location of the card's inception is a mystery, most scholars believe they were developed sometime in the 15th century by Trappist chef monks living in the rocky hills of Rome. Legend has it that these cooks were, quite frankly, bored out of their minds, and with next to nothing to do but decide what to eat next, they constructed the sacred shuffleable tome. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. All right. So ways to play. There are 3 documented ways to utilize the power of the cards. The One Course Wonder, the Triple Decker, and the St. Peter Special. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, hopefully you can see. Like, just adorable ways to use it. Okay, key to the cards, we have the trumps, which would be the major arcana. And then we have the mains. Acting as the centerpieces of meals across the globe, the mains create a sturdy foundation on which to build a meal. Do these cards represent a requirement? Only the universe can say. Then we have the sides, constitute the word lists found at the bottom of the menus for centuries. Though many such menus suggest you pick 2, it only takes the universe 1 of these cards to be heard. Then we have sweets, considered by many to be a necessity at the end of every meal. The sweets are those sugary concoctions with the ability to make weak the knees of even the strongest eaters. And then we have the drinks. These liquids rain down from the heavens into the glasses at every table. The drinks represent an unavoidable choice to be made. After all, what is a meal without something to wash it down? Let me just make sure. Okay, we do have a trumps. These comestibles are the cornerstone of iconic cuisine. Because of their archetypal nature, the trumps hold great significance above all other dishes. The items found on these cards are so epochal, in fact, that many of them are found on every continent on this planet. Some texts suggest they are even found amongst the stars. Oh my gosh. All right, so obviously we don't have explanations or meanings or anything like that. We just have the cards. So I'm really excited to kind of flip through this just as a fun change of pace. All right. Here is the back. Why are they bent? Okay. Cute. What a fun gag gift. The beginning. Oh my gosh. Oh man, this is adorable. I mean, technically, you probably could, since there's 78 cards, you probably could use it very similarly if you wanted to regular tarot. Just, use it in your own way. The quality of the cardstock is not actually that bad. It's kind of thin, but it's not terrible. The golden ball. Oh. These little, oh my gosh. Is that Newton? Isaac Newton? Is that the one that the apple fell on? Wow. I'm really, really horrible. Gravity. Isaac Newton. That's right. Right? I've been out of school too long. Oh, sriracha. Oh, so good. Tofu. Oh my goodness. Yes, the chip breaker. Oh my goodness. Wow, we've got, this is amazing. Wow, iron with the grilled cheese. Oh my gosh. This tomato, oh, I love that. Oh. Flavored soup. Well, they're not in any particular order in their suits, I'm just realizing. I guess it doesn't matter. Net movies. Oh my gosh. I haven't had a California roll in so long. Ugh. I'm vegetarian, so I don't eat meat. So whenever we had gone to sushi or when we did, it was always a California roll, or I loved the avocado rolls where they had like cucumber, avocado, and the rice. Ugh. Now I'm hungry. This was not a good idea. That's really cool. What a fun little gift. I can't remember how much the price tag was on this. I'll double check on the box when we're done flipping through. So we've got sides. Oh, is that macaroni and cheese? Ugh, died and gone to heaven. I love me some mac and cheese, especially like the old-fashioned bake it in the oven kind. And no, raisins do not belong in mac and cheese. No. There was someone on TikTok that was just singing the praises of having raisins in the mac and cheese. I'm just like, I can't. I can't. Ooh, refried, yes. Vegetarian refried beans, love them. The mini tree. Oh, we've got sweets now. Gotta have, oh, look at the different types of chocolate. Semi-sweet, white, dark, and milk. I love. Props. Ooh. Yes, cupcake. Oh, shows you how to eat the cupcake the right way, apparently. There's no right way to eat a cupcake. You put it in your face. That's how you eat a cupcake. That's the right way. Oh my gosh, I made a bomb apple pie a couple months ago. First time ever making an apple pie. I was very proud of myself. I don't know if any of you guys know, but I do bake. Like, it's a hobby of mine. I enjoy it very much. I don't know if you guys want to see any baking videos or anything like that, like decorating videos. Let me know, because I'd be down. Put a few of those up here. Oh my God, cop car. Ooh, those are so good with all the different types. Oh my gosh. Oh, strawberry shortcake. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did we see cheesecake yet? Goodness. Oh my gosh. The hot mess. No cheesecake. Okay. Well, we have drinks now. All right. Yes. Ooh. Interesting how it's a page for a beer. Wow. Yes, wine is definitely a staple in this house. The fountain. Ooh, tea. Thank you for including tea. Classic. Oh, these are so cute. Milk. The White Knight. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Anybody else like seltzer water? I do. I don't know. I'm weird. The thickest. Oh, amazing. These are very quirky, very cute. Let's see how they shuffle. I'm sure they shuffle just fine. Yes, they shuffle. Cute. Yeah, I don't have a problem with these. I think these are absolutely adorable. Let's see, does it have a price tag on this? Yes, $12.95. $12.95. Not a bad price at all. And I'm sure since it's been out for a hot minute, you can find it on sale or a little cheaper someplace. But I think this is adorable. I mean, it is like, it's totally not a tarot deck, like at all. Like, it wasn't meant to be, you know, a tarot deck, but you can totally make it into one. There's enough cards here that you can make it into a tarot deck for yourself. There are already separated into their suits. They have the names of Knight, King, Page, and Queen. So, you know, if you really wanted to make it your own little deck here for $12.95, you totally can. I think this is an adorable little, you know, I'm going to call it a gag gift, but please don't take that the wrong way in a negative way. It's just really cute. So if you know somebody who is a tarot reader or a tarot fan or, you know, likes quirky things, I think this would be a fun little gift for them, just because I guarantee you they probably don't have it, just because it's, you know, it's so different. And I know you could, or you used to be able to find this at Hot Topic. So if there's a Hot Topic around you, check it out. I've seen it there before. Your girl still shops at Hot Topic. Anyway, I think it's adorable. Please let me know what you think down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for spending some time with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.